Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in USPS account on PC. USPS stands for United States Postal Service, which is one of the US mail service that is independent agency of executive branch. To log in to USPS account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.usps.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of USPS. Now here you can see register/sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on register/sign in. Then here you'll be taken to the sign in page of USPS website. Now to sign in to your account, you need to first enter your username on the given box. Make sure that you enter your correct username. Then enter your password. Make sure that you use the correct password of your USPC account. Now, if you forgot your username, you can click on Forgot Your Username. If you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password. After entering your username and password, click on Sign In. With that, you'll be logged into your USPS account. This is how we can log into our USPS account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.